Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't wonder why I'm looking so crusty. Today we are gonna be installing my wig. Okay, I've seen the girlies who usually do like installs and stuff. So I'm doing this install because I don't have money to buy gel yet. So this install must last me till like Friday or even till like Sunday, because Friday I'm going back home, so I wanna like have it on the install still. I'm just gonna refresh it probably if it's like crusty, or we going on a girls thingy with like my friend and her friends. It's so cool going like on a Saturday. So yeah, anyways, I was saying guys, let's catch up because this is gonna be a pretty long video, because I mean I will be talking and stuff. It's not a tutorial because I wouldn't say I am a pro at this. So I think I'm done with the gel thingy. My lid for my gel fell inside, so closed it, and then now I'm just gonna like push my hair in like this. I'm probably gonna put it here, and I don't have a mirror because the mirror is there, as you can see. Because even if I were to put it here, I wouldn't see it, so that's useless. So I think that's like, I saw the girlies put it over the ears like this, so I'm gonna do exactly that. Right, and then I'm gonna use this, right? My Glamour Beauty spray. It is yeah, it's for lace wigs. I don't know what you call it, like that. I'm just gonna spray it how I saw them do it. I hope it's not too much. It's pretty much like that. I sprayed it into my hair, but anyways. Okay, and then they say you're gonna let that dry, right? I'm leaving that dry, or doing this little dry, because I don't have a hair dryer. I really don't have a hair dryer, nor do I have a fan. I'm just gonna do this maybe for like 5 minutes or so, then I'll be back. So I'm back. I'm gonna do this 3 times. Okay, I think it's dry now. So I saw they said you must cut out here. I'm just gonna be careful with it. I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay, so I did that. I managed to cut it. I used my dermaplaning surgical knife. Yeah, I cut the wig cap off camera, so now I'm gonna try to like cut this. I don't know even how I'm gonna do it because my scissor is totally blunt. Hopefully when I get used to like filming, I'm cutting with the razors, then yeah, I'll do it on camera. I'm gonna take this and my take home, and I'm just gonna do what those girls do. I don't think I'm doing it. I don't have any lace sealer or anything, so this is the best I could do. Let me pour it on my thingy cap. Maybe this is the best way to do it. Okay, it shall do it. Now I'm just gonna like dry it. Okay, my piggy, my sweethearts, ish guys, my powder broke, and look at how cute this is. My powder broke. But I'm still gonna use it because I mean it's mine. I'm gonna use it. I'm using this brush. I just want to see if it's gonna be too light for me. I feel like, oh, it's gonna be too light. This is oh wait, it went wrong. Okay. Okay. Yeah, blending. So I put too much, but this brush is good. I've got the wig on, guys. The bold cap is like completely perfect. It's laid. I really like the results for my first time. Wow. And I like the color. It's giving my skin tone. So now I'm gonna put the wig on. Let's do this. So guys, I am gonna put on my Bond Blue. Because I don't know if the glamour will work. I feel like it will lift this lace if I add it. Is it like closed? Okay, I think I managed to open it. I don't know if I'm supposed to add it back. Truly a lover. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that and dry it. Then I'll be back when it's dry. I think the glue is somewhat almost dry. I'm gonna add another layer with this soft white. You can see here, it's still white. And then the comb, see, it's no longer white. Some of the clips. So bad here. Anyways, and add another layer. I think it's let me do this off camera. You know, imagine I use that black color for the whole head. That's some crazy videos. Okay, I'm just gonna do this in the video. This gets like so I can do some of it. Okay, I think it's gonna like areas of my head look dirty. But anyways, just gonna like this. It's getting a bit here. That's what I like to see. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on camera. Okay, so I just wrapped it under because I managed to paste it. I just hope the pasting is good. If I paste it out, then I'm gonna go in with the glamour because it's way easier to use the glamour. And guys, imagine I'm doing my hair, I'm not feeling well. I have to do some schoolwork, some drawings. Telling me now, when people tell me that uni is not nice thing, don't think people are like, oops, do not. Anyways, I can't not look good because it's okay. Okay, now after adding that, I'm just gonna curl it a little. Curl. I'll take my brush and brush it between. I don't know what hairstyle I want to do, so yeah, I had lit my curling down. I use it as a hot iron because maybe even as a hot comb because I don't have a hot comb. So yeah, I'm just gonna place it on my bed because it has this little stand. I'm gonna place it on my bed and then just gonna section up my hair. I'm not great at this at all. I'm just gonna do this off camera because it's gonna take time. I forgot to add my heat protection serum by the Chit brand. I'm gonna add that in 5 drops. I'm just here to show you all the difference. So this is the side I'm like flat ironing, and this is the side I didn't. So you see the difference. Okay, I don't know if you do, but I do. Okay, so I tried laying it down. I'm gonna do it for the second time. Yeah, oops, it's so hot. I'm taking my straightener and I'm gonna try straightening my hair. Because where's my comb? get the hang of this. Okay, so I'm using my big comb. I'm just gonna take this off and see. Okay, I'm gonna do my edges off camera because this is really hard. I'm just gonna drink water. I want to show you guys a quick hack on how to remove these. I think I know it because I removed the glue on my lace. Because my lace had glue before I did this in farm using this hack. Quick water break. So the hack is for, you see these hairs are stuck, right? I'm gonna take, as I think I'm Dutch. So I took some from home, I put it into a bottle, and then I like to do this much and then mix this much with water. So I'm gonna take the Savlon solution with this because I feel like Savlon sanitizer, surgical spirit, same thing. Since it kills all bacteria and whatever. So I'm gonna just take the way I have these cotton heads. Just gonna take one. And let's see. Easy. And then you take the dry end to wipe off so it doesn't fuck with your lace. See? That is so cool, guys. Like, so cool. But don't put it on your lace because then it's gonna move the glue. So I'm just gonna add foundation to this. You can see this is not really my complexion. So I'm just gonna, I'm not sure if it's gonna make it a bit lighter or what, but it goes to see. But honestly, I'm gonna add the spray again. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the spray again. Directly onto the lace and then press it with my finger. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the end of this. I find it more comfortable. The sharp end of the braiding comb. I don't know what they call it. Put that comb. Yeah, my phone is about to die. These are the edges I managed doing. Not too bad for a first time beginner. Okay. This one, yeah. So now we're just gonna tie the stocking real tight. Yep. So guys, this is the final look. I didn't do much edges. I actually ended up changing my mind and decided to keep my front clean since I'm still learning. So yeah, I just want to show y'all final. So yeah, let me go back a little. How my hair looks. I straightened it. I really like it. But even when it's in its body wave moment, like natural wave, like the body wave, because it's a body wave, this wig that I'm wearing, it's still nice. So I'm still gonna wear it even when it goes back to body wave. When I'm lazy to straighten it, I'll just wear it as a body wave. But yeah, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. You know, guys, do the whole shebang, and I'll see you on another video. Bye my sweeties. I hope y'all enjoyed this video because I know I enjoyed making it.